Welcome to a new consumer goods review. Today we have Tony's Chocolonely chocolate. Why is it lonely? I don't know, but we're gonna find out in this epic consumer goods review. Okay, so we have 3 different flavors of Tony's Chocolonely. The first one is chocolate caramel sea salt. Caramel. And here it says make chocolate 100% slave free. So they have some kind of mission here, a message. You see, I exist to end slavery in the chocolate industry. That's a good cause. Thank you, Tony. Thank you. Second flavor, Almon Sea Salt, dark chocolate. Nice. And here, same thing. It's actually a Swedish company. I didn't know that. The third flavor we have collaboration between Ben & Jerry's ice cream and Tony's chocolate. So, and this one is strawberry cheesecake white chocolate. This one looks really good. Look at the package. So nice. Interesting collaboration. Ben & Jerry's and chocolate company. How does it work together? Let's find out soon. Here, Ben & Jerry's has joined our mission to end modern slavery in the chocolate industry. This will be good. Which one shall we open first? Let's go with this basic one. I think this is the basic flavor. So how is the unboxing experience? Let's see. The wrapper is paper, so that's good. Environmentally friendly. Inside, a piece of aluminium. That's fine. Ooh, what is this? Why is our bar unequally divided? To us, it doesn't make sense for chocolate bars to be divided into chunks of equal sizes when there is so much inequality in the chocolate industry. Okay. So these guys, they like to talk a lot, but are they actually doing good for the chocolate industry? I don't know. But they seem to be complaining a lot. Like inequality, slavery. We're gonna fix that. How can one chocolate company fix all of those problems? How does this open? Okay. Ooh, look at the shapes. So this one symbolizes slavery in the chocolate industry, I guess. That's where they're shaped like this. But is it convenient for the consumer to be eating it like this? I don't know. Interesting shape. I wonder if they're all the same shape. Let's see. This one is dark chocolate. I can smell it already. Small difference. They have a gold aluminium foil. Luxurious. Is that mold? Why is there mold here already? I just bought this. I don't think it's mold. It's just some random thing. Lot of mess coming from this chocolate. They didn't pack it quite well. Look. What the hell is this? The quality is like worn off already. Let's open the last one and then we sample them. Here they have some different messages. Better together. Together to the top. Ben & Jerry's, Tony's Chocolonely. That's the message. That's the message we should send to the little kids. We have to teach them to end the slavery. Ooh, look at the color. This one is actually white. Nice. So they have the pieces of strawberry chunks. Oh, chocolate ASMR. Nice. Yeah, this is the bars. Let's go ahead and taste it up. It's time for the truth. Let's see if Tony's Chocolonely taste any good. Now 3 different chocolate bars, and of course we're gonna start with the dark chocolate Almon Sea Salt. You always gotta go from the less sweet to the sweetest. So dark chocolate first. Let's see how do you cut these unequal bars. Is it convenient for the consumer? Let's find out. It came out nicely. Look, almond inside. Let's take a bite. Ooh, it's not as dark as some other dark chocolate. The sea salt brings a little bit sweetness to it. It's weird to say salt bringing the sweetness, but it does. It makes the dark chocolate less bitter somehow. I don't know how. That was a good bite. But you see, when you cut this, oof, so much mess coming from this. Why didn't they just made it equally divided and easily cuttable instead of this? Oh, we're gonna end slavery. That's why we make these unequal pieces. It's inconvenient for the consumer. At least the chocolate is good. Nice. It's only 51% dark chocolate, so it's not something crazy like 80% dark chocolate. It still has the sweetness to it from the milk and sea salt and sugar and almond. Yeah, this is a great dark chocolate. 8.5 out of 10 for a dark chocolate. Actually, I give the reviews later. Forget that review. Next, we have chocolate caramel sea salt. This one I'm really excited. Let's try to cut it from this other side now. You see, I try to take one piece. It comes all together. Make the pieces convenient to cut. Ooh, this one is good. This is 32% chocolate. The caramel is it's like dime chocolate. You need a dime. Really good caramel. They use cream and butter to make the caramel, so no powders used here. But the milk in the chocolate is from the powder. It's not from the real milk. This one is a banger chocolate. I like how the caramel is a little bit salty flavor coming with the sea salt. But now, the most interesting of them all. Ben & Jerry's chocolate. How does it taste like? I'm trying to cut this big piece now. Let's see what happens. You see, it doesn't work. It cut like super weird piece here. And my table full of mess. Not good. This is weird. White chocolate, good flavor. But where's the cheesecake pieces? What is this? So they have dried strawberry pieces. Then they have some cookies. I don't know, what is this? It's just some white chocolate with some cookie pieces inside or something. It doesn't taste like the ice cream at all. What's the point of this collaboration if it doesn't taste like the Ben & Jerry's ice cream? But still, if you like white chocolate, I think you will like this a lot. It's a good quality white chocolate. I think this was the best. Just chocolate and caramel. And this one is good. Perfect combination of chocolate with some salty caramel. This is really great. So what can I give rating of this? I think dark chocolate. It's really good quality dark chocolate. But if they market it as dark chocolate, it should be like more cocoa, like 80% or something. But I guess this is dark chocolate for babies, because it's not as bitter. Everybody can eat this, even the normal chocolate fans. It's a solid 8 out of 10. And then, this one was a banger, like, oof. This is one of the best chocolates ever eaten by me. 9.5 out of 10. It's almost perfect, almost perfect. If they used a real milk instead of powder, it would be 10 out of 10. And this was just super weird. I don't know what was the point of this. Just white chocolate with some supposedly Ben & Jerry's. I don't know. 8.5 out of 10. But after all these reviews, I'm gonna minus 1 point from all of them for making this super annoying to cut with their message of ending slavery. Like, it's inconvenient for the consumer to cut this. Why do you have to be like special and do something like that? And how are they really helping the slavery? I mean, they buy the fair trade chocolate just like every other company does. Like, are they actually going there to end the slaves? Like, are they like hiring some commandos who are going to the camps who are killing the slave owners? I don't know. But they should show some proof of what they're doing. But I guess it's just some bullshit marketing story that they buy it from reliable sources or something like. That's what they do. It's a scam. It's a clickbait. They think they're special, but they're not. Many other companies doing the same thing. But these people, they just have a big mouth and make a big deal about it. So yeah. But yeah, it's a good quality chocolate. I like it. But why is the question? The question still stands. What is Chocolonely? Why is it lonely chocolate? I don't know. Yeah. 8.5 out of 10 after 1 point minus. 7.5 out of 10. And no, this one was 7 and out of 10, yeah, after minus 1 point. Then this is 7.5 out of 10. Okay, so if you want to buy something from this, buy this orange one with caramel. It's the best. Yeah, this has been Consumer Goods Review. Leave a comment below if you taste this or not, and did you like it? I will see you guys in the next epic Consumer Goods Review. Thanks for watching. You see, this is what I mean. So much mess from cutting these pieces, like unbelievable. Make the pieces easily dividable. And stop with this message here. Unequally divided. Look how much mess on my table. This is unacceptable. This is unacceptable, okay? Thank you, Tony. Fix the problems. Thank you.